Hey guys, Miss Watson here. Sorry about the fire drill today. Kind of threw things off a little bit for your periods, but in any case, I'm making this video to kind of walk you through what your homework is tonight. So if you look at the slides, slide 1, and I'm going to go ahead and actually present this so you can see it. Give me 1 second. All right, here we go. Slide 1 is just directions. So it says brainstorming directions. Choose 4 topics you're interested in the smaller boxes, example. Slide 2, at the bottom, it says complete this page. So be sure to complete that page on slide 2, and the directions are on slide 1. And then slide 3 also has directions. So it's going to be resources for project ideas. So you do have to do slides 2 and 3. There are action items on those slides, but we're going to start with the directions on slide 1. It says brainstorming directions. Choose 4 topics that you are interested in and list 1 idea in each of the colored boxes with the dark black border. In the smaller boxes, write down observations, questions, or ideas you might have about this topic. And then it gives you an example. So here in this dark black bordered box, I'm going to write a topic that I'm interested in. So I'm interested in the beach. Then in the smaller boxes that are connected, I'm going to write down observations, questions, or ideas I have about that topic. So I mostly wrote down questions. What is the water temperature at my local beach? How much trash is on my local beach? And is there any time of day when the beach is less crowded? So that's an example that I provided to you guys. Here's where you're going to get to actually do this. So I put the beach in blue. You can put anything that interests you. If makeup interests you, write makeup. If cooking interests you, write cooking. If animals interest you, write animals. If medicine or blood, be specific. Blood interests you, coronavirus interests you. There's anything that you could write down that is interesting to you, put it in these big boxes with the dark black lines, and then ask questions, put ideas, or write observations in the 3 little boxes that surround the larger boxes. This is called brainstorming. You're going to have a bunch of ideas of things you could potentially do science fair on. If you do science fair and you start thinking next week and it's something completely different, don't worry, you can do that too. This is just designed to get your mind to start thinking about possible topics. Now, for your project, you can use the information from the previous page. So remember, you have 4 ideas from the previous page and 3 questions, ideas, or observations from each of those. You can go in there, kind of start to hone down your ideas and use the information from the previous slide to set up a topic you're interested in and the phrase science fair. So you're going to Google this. So for example, I'm going to type into the Google machine, beach trash science fair. And once you Google that, you're going to get lots of websites. Click around in those websites and see if there's any resources that might interest you in terms of beach trash and the science fair. Then you're going to take the link and you're going to paste it into this box. And last, you're going to label the link. So I would label this link beach trash science fair, and then I have a link in here. So at minimum, you have to have 4 links. And the thought is that these links are going to be resources that you can go back to and you can start to formulate a real proposal for your science fair. So happy brainstorming. I hope this helps. Thank you guys very much.